All right, boom. Here we go. We right here in this Tesla trade. We flipped at 946. This was the first day that we took a 15-minute wait. As soon as we came, boom. We looking at a power bar breaking through the 200, taking out a red bar. We jump right in. We already at the resistance at 378.60, but we are about to break through this resistance and this 946. So here we go. Here we go. This is the weekly high right now. This is the high of the week. So this is the high of the week. Okay, came down a little bit, but that's still a very, very good entry. You could tell it's a good entry because of how consistent and how small this pullback is. You see it's flickering right at resistance, but it's not really pulling back. The buyers are here. The buyers are here. Yes, we're going green. Another breakthrough. So we broke through the weekly resistance. Now we're breaking through the daily, the intraday resistance. All right, so this is a little support range. If we break through this, ideally, we're going to 390, but that didn't happen today. All right, so I flip back to the 2-minute time frame. Here we go, making some ducats. I'm up 8%. I'm looking for 20%. I'm looking for 20% or a nasty run. So I was late to the market. I was out moving around, so I showed up at like 9:44. I clicked my computer on. As soon as I flipped to Tesla, I saw that we were cooking on the 5-minute time frame, so I jumped in. I just switched back to the 2-minute time frame so I could see a little bit more detail on what's going on. So here we go. We up 43. We up 45. Okay, not quite 20%. Not quite 20%, and we are approaching this next resistance. Okay, that's looking like the Three Kings. That's looking like the Three Kings right there. Okay, pushing through. I'm getting froggy. I'm ready to take my percentage, but I'm like, wait a minute. This is a lot of momentum. Could we be going up to 388? Could we be going to 388? And then once I seen 100, I got on out of there. Boom. That's how you make a quick $100 in 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes. All right, but that actually was 20 minutes for the day. All right, peace and love, good people. I hope y'all get rich. Let's keep it going. Let's keep going to keep growing. And hold on, look. And right after we got out, you can see that the pullback started. And if this candle is red, a red one started. Okay, so that was a really good exit. That was a good timely exit. Very good timely exit. All right, peace and love, good people. I hope you get rich. Thank y'all for tuning in on the next. See y'all on the next episode of Money in Minutes.